his leadership, this company has established a successful global injection molding business with a world-class facility in Johor, equipped with advanced automation, prototyping, and manufacturing technologies. It continues to expand internationally, strengthening its capabilities and exploring new opportunities to grow its manufacturing footprint in Malaysia and serve the global manufacturing sector.
10 years ago, I had a dream, I had a vision, and that was to expand my business, and I looked for a great site to come up to, and Malaysia was that place I chose. Malaysia's been such a fantastic opportunity for us. Our business has grown. In 10 years, in the first took 2 years to get going. We went from just a couple of machines and 10 people. Now we have over 550 and 65 machines, and we export 100% of everything that we make here in Malaysia. A big thank you to my team over there. I've got a small cohort of them here tonight. Without the team, we're nothing.
Good evening, my name's Grahame Aston. I'm the Managing Director of PPC Moulding Services Malaysia. This is great recognition for the hard work that not only myself but my team have put in. I had a vision of expanding my business, and this award is just such a great validation of that hard work that we've actually put into the business. Well, my journey as an entrepreneur started over 20 years ago in Australia, and then 10 years ago, I needed to find another manufacturing site that we could actually service the world globally. Manufacturing in Malaysia was the right choice for me. I came up, we've actually relocated the factory twice since I've been up here. We've grown that quickly. So in 10 years, we've actually gone from a very small place in Tampoi, and now we're in Senai Airport City, and we occupy about 200,000 square foot of factory space there with over 550 staff. I'm really proud of what we've been able to achieve and what we've been able to do in that time. We do things that are difficult to do and not everybody else can do. We've specialised in silicon overmolding on polycarbonate, and we've focused on medical devices. So I'm proud to say that out of our site in Johor, we manufacture and support 100% export to the world of medical devices, and it's a fantastic achievement. The values that we've been able to create is really, for me, is actually jobs and job stability. It's difficult to actually find good jobs and finding good people. We've been fortunate to find good people. We've got great job stability, and we've got great customers out there. In fact, our customer up here is recognised just the hard work that myself and my team have done, and they've awarded us with new projects even just recently. So it's a great validation again on what we've been able to achieve. We're looking into expanding the business even further in Malaysia. I'm looking to, while we're an injection moulder, I'm looking to expand out to a tool room as well up here so that can better support the business. Right now we've got some great suppliers around the world, but I needed to expand that market into Malaysia and service our site here. Given that we run 24 hours, 7 days a week, it's a big task, and we need to actually, we need to keep the giant fed with things running all the time. So a big thank you to Enterprise Asia. I mean, these awards, this is the first time that we've actually taken part, and it's been fantastic. It's a terrific night, and I encourage everybody to get involved and have a crack, have a go. I mean, you never know, you might be like me and be a fortunate winner.